can learn from the video.
Unmute. Test. Okay, good. First, you open your Excel. Where is your Excel? Oh, this one. Oh, no. I mean here. TIR, right? And then, okay, so I open FTIR. And then I rename the process. Okay, because I want to do some adjustment. Okay, first we do with Uracil, okay? Yeah. Uracil. And then Uracil. Last one, I delete the column. Yeah. I copy and paste everyone. Control Shift down. Yeah. And then Control C. After that, I go origin. Bye. Origin is like this. Yeah. So I add this one. Yeah. Here, I just make sure. Okay, the screen is okay. Here, I add here to add the column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I want to do X axis and Y axis. So that's why I want to change everything to X axis. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I copy first one is Uracil. I copy and paste here. Control V. Okay, good. So next, we do for another sample. We close Uracil first. Just don't save. Okay. We go to the PEUA. Okay, so PEUA now. Okay. PEUA, Control Shift down. Control C. Go to our origin again. Okay, Control V. And next, lastly, our another sample is PEMA. We open the PEMA Excel file. And then we copy everything. Control Shift down. Control Shift down. Control C. And then Control P, everything. And then you do like here, select all the 3 sample. And then you can do the line. Yeah. And then the line is this. After that, you can edit the name. Yeah. We know already. Here, Okay, so the x-axis, you can go click right click and then properties and then rename the CM -1. Okay, then okay. Is the same with y-axis. Click right properties and then transmittance. Okay. And then this is the part that we need to learn. BDF. Properties again. And then we name our sample name. Uracil. Yeah. And then next is PEUA. And then the last is PEMA, right? Yeah. The last one is PEMA. And then lastly is OK. Okay. So we usually do the graphic, have some close bar here. So it's become rectangle. How to make this line? Do you know? No, but at the line here. So this is Y, this is X. Now is only like this. How can I change the first one here to here? Okay, so add the line. Add the line for here and here. Add the line.
Yeah.
Add the line, how? You click twice on the line here. So they can have the line, and then you click twice, and then they have the setting. They have the setting. This is the tick label. So everything inside the origin, basically, I don't need to teach you. You can learn by yourself. The best teacher is try.
Yeah.
You try everything here. Minor, grid line, custom, break, everything you try. So here, the tick label, I show you how to do the upper part, upper line is the top one. Top one, and then you can show major labels. I kind of forgot too. Okay, so this one is only to the scale. It means like 0 to 450. We can make it to 400. Because, why? Because our FTIR only tests for 400 to 4,000. We can change the scale from 4,000 to 400. And then do apply. Okay, maybe not 400, maybe 300. Okay, apply. Maybe 380. Apply. And then next, we can do it. We can also change the transmittance, which is the vertical axis. The y-axis is here to 120, which means here is 65, and upper is 125. You can adjust how much do you want.
Yeah.
There is no rules. There is also, you can do it just up to your liking, up to your favor.
Yeah.
So now we search for the how to make the line. It's easy. It should be on the top and then axis. And then after that, you can okay, so that's one is tick label, maybe grid line. Oh, sorry. Because it show different from mine. So I need to search.
So now we name the pig or something.
No, we make the line first from here to here. Okay, let's see. So, okay, so first we see the one that we want to write is only the top. So we click top, show axis and ticks, and apply. Okay, and apply. After that, we just want the line. So we remove every ticks. Ticks, none. Ticks, none. And then apply. Only the line. Next is the right side. Right side, click show axis and ticks. And then none, major tick, minor ticks, no, and then apply. Okay, so this is the how to do the and then okay, and then this is how to do the FTIR. I mean the origin plotting. The origin, make the figure, how to this one, and then you can change all the size here. Okay, yeah, and then you can move everything around, and then you can move more here. Okay, that's all. Then how to open this file in the PPT? Just here and then copy. Click right side, copy page. And then you open PowerPoint. when you have the PowerPoint, just right click and or maybe Control V. Yeah. So if it's like this, when you double click the picture, it will come to the origin later. So if you want to change all the color, the name, or the scale, the number scale, you can just double click the figure here. So this is the important one, is to save project. Save project to maybe near your, maybe in the process. Okay, so you can say the name is the same. Okay, so just like this, then okay, you can, if you want to change the color,
Yeah,
you can double click the line. You can change the line color.
yeah,
For example, you want, maybe for example, okay, so make it independent, and then the second we can change maybe to blue and then apply.
yeah.
And then the third one, maybe you want, yeah, red is good also. Why? Yeah, the color is better. So okay, and then Control S to save. This one, copy page. And then done your figure here.
So about UV is singular.
This one?
UV, but I use origin.
Yeah, everything is same because every data is in the Excel file.
Yeah.
Everything except NMR using the MNOVA. Yeah.
Yeah. So the file.
Okay, I will just save the project. I will save first this one.
Yeah.
And then later you just need to figure out how to
Pick.
Yeah.
On PPT.
Yeah, on the PPT, you can make the line like here. Shift. Maybe here they have something, you can
Present like in the paper.
yeah, in the paper. And you can search in the internet. Uracil, EUA, is what kind of FTIR peak. So for example, maybe here 3,000 have like deep, broad peak. So you can search in the internet, which is this one is one.
Yeah.
Usually the paper is the credible one. But if we ask ChatGPT, it's not really correct.
Yeah.
They can give the info, but it's not 100% correct. Okay, so you have any question?
Really, I think I will try to draw UVs.
Okay. Okay, so now I close the recording.
Yeah.
Okay, I can send the recording to you.